Hello, I am Srinivas Murthy, Senior Manager Sales and Marketing from HTA Instrumentation Private Limited, Bangalore.
Hello, this is Hemant Kumar, Senior Manager, Calibration at HTA.
We take this opportunity to introduce our company, HTA Instrumentation Private Limited. We have been in the field of instrumentation for around 35 years now. We are also into industrial automation and provide turnkey solutions as per customer requirements.
We are also one of the most reputed and best calibration, mapping and validation organization in India. Backed by over 25 years of experience, we provide a complete range of calibration in our 17025 and 2017 enable accredited calibration lab and also provide on-site services. We also offer clean room validation for HVAC system, servicing most of the reputed pharmaceutical companies.
We extend our invitation to one and all to visit our stall number J30 and 31, hall number 1 at Automation Expo 2024 to be held at DEIC or from 21st to 24th August 2024.
Please come down and have a look at our range of products and services which will be showcased at the stall.
Thank you.
Thank you.